Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to discuss about the Tata Elxsi. Q3 FY25 result was declared yesterday on today 10th of January 25. The stock price of Tata Elxsi is crashed nearly 7%. So what are the major reasons and challenges currently company facing, and because of that the stock price of Tata Elxsi is crashed nearly 7% today. In 2022 the stock price of Tata Elxsi was touched the level of 10,000 and after that it has been trading between the range of 9,000 and 7,000 rupees. However, on today 10th of January the levels of 7,000, 6,500 has been broken and currently it is trading at the level of 6,000 rupees. Tata Elxsi is the part of Tata Group specializing in design and technology services across industry include automotive, media, healthcare and communication. The company is renowned for its innovative solution in product engineering and digital transformation. There are two business verticals. First one is business development services which cover 97% of revenue, and the second one is support integration system which cover 3% of revenue. In SDS the company provides end-to-end solution across automotive, communication, media and healthcare. Additionally, they assist customers in innovative product research, branding and product design. In this segment, transportation contributes 53% of revenue, media and communication contributes 33% of revenue, and healthcare and medical contributes 13% of revenue. In SIS vertical, the company specializes in comprehensive systems and their solution for application include test and safety and design visualization. Additionally, they offer services related to DevOps securities, network securities, migration and cloud managed services. In geographical diversification, Europe contributes 42% of revenue, America contributes 34% of revenue, and India contributes 18% of revenue, and the rest of the world contributes 6% of revenue. In client concentration, currently company focused on top 20 customers to drive their growth. Top 5 customers contribute 48% of revenue and the top 10 customers contribute 58% of revenue. Tata Elxsi maintains a good financial position, almost debt-free and delivering a good profit growth of 23% over the last 5 years. The company also maintains a good return on equity track with the 3 years of ROE of 37.4%. And the average 10 years of ROC is more than 25%. Tata Elxsi command a PE of 46 while the 5 years of median PE is 59. In October 24, it command a PE of 59. It has been slightly reduced from 59 to 46 because of high valuation. In 2022, the stock price of Tata Elxsi was touched the level of 10,000 and during those time they generated 550 crore of net profit. In trailing 12 months, they are generating 809 crore of net profit. The share price is demands for good profit number to achieve the 10,000 level again. In shareholding pattern, promoters, DIAs and FIAs hold 65% of shareholding while the public holds 35% of shareholding. Now the question is why the stock price of Tata Elxsi is down nearly 7%. I don't think so there should be any reason, because the market was expecting a good numbers from Tata Elxsi. However, since past 8 quarters the Tata Elxsi is generating the same numbers. And since past 8 quarters the stock price of Tata Elxsi has been trading between the range of 9,000 and 7,000 rupees. Despite the recent setback, Tata Elxsi continues to focus on growth areas. The company has seen positive outcomes from emerging markets, Japan and opportunities in India. Revenue from India grew by 21% year-on-year while Japan experienced 67% increase. In my live investing video, I showed that I bought some stock of Tata Elxsi and I am going to add some more. Whenever I find good opportunity, then definitely I will do my business. This is not a buy and sell recommendation. Do your own due diligence before taking any action. I am not a SEBI registered RA. We'll back in next video. Till time, like, share and subscribe my channel. Happy investing.